Advances in dishwashing never seen before. The new M-iClean H from Meiko. Brilliant dishwashing results and ergonomically easy to work with. The new M-iClean H from Meiko brings everything under one hood. Finally, making light work of dishwashing is easy. The M-iClean H with the revolutionary automatic hood system features unique dishwashing and working convenience. Easy to operate, thanks to the consistent ergonomics concept. Work faster and more efficiently, thanks to the automatic hood system with rack detection. Optimum indoor air quality and maximum energy efficiency. Maximum investment security and sustainability.